Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shakira Mostari. I'm a student of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Science and Technology University, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Firstly, now I start my uh, start my project presentation. Firstly, I recommended my supervisor name. Supervisor name is Shakifa Akhtar. Introduction and related work. My project is totally Android based project, and my project name is Student Project List. And that means the main objective is to include the project title for the first year, second year, third year, and the fourth year student for their thesis title or a project title that are the list in this app. So we can easily find out a list, the project or thesis title list. Mainly when we first to go to our supervisor, teacher, ma'am or teacher, to permitted a project, then we give show them a lot of project proposal, but sometimes the project is the same in other student. So we can easily find out this app, use this app to know the project. So the system is related to student project list objectives. There are many objectives of this project. We can easily find out which project or thesis has done. It saves time and cost to know about a student project or thesis information. It also provides easy way to collect a student project title. That means this app will help us a lot of things regard in a short time. This app will give us a lot of information in a very short time, which will help us a lot. Methodology. I follow four procedures to develop my projects, such as requirement, design, implementation, and verification. Requirements. The main requirements of the project is to maintain information about the student ID, name, and the thesis or a project title. Firstly, we know there are first year, second year, third year, and fourth year student. Their name, their ID, and their thesis or project title must be known, and then add this button, and then we view it. And the design of my project, that is the project browser. Any user can able to see this app, and if we added added to project, then we first click add button, and which year must be select, first year, second year, or third year, or fourth year. Then first select year, and then add ID, name, project or thesis title fulfill, then click the save button, then click the view option, then we saw a list, that is the main thing. That is the home page of my project. The four button, first year, second year, third year, and fourth year. That is the main home page. That is the add button page, where we saw two part, view part and the add part, where we saw this is the add button part. So a student, if first year, then fulfill this ID, her ID or his ID, name, and project title, then click the save button. Here we saw a four category: the save, show, update, and delete. Save it. Then we saw the view. Then that is the view button page. Then where the first column we saw the ID, and second column we saw the name, and the third column we saw the project title. Here the student who are fill up, then same button, same type view button for the first year, second year, and third year student. It is the same only for the fourth year student. Here the project title, fourth year students for their thesis title. uh, Thesis title. Limitation. There is only for running first year, second year, third year, and fourth year student, but there is no list of past student. That is the main limitation, and there is another limitation is searching method. If we search a name, or if we search a project name, but we do not found it. So searching method is also a limitation of this app. And the future work, I think implementing searching method, that is very important. And another is a more suitable layout. If we think more suitable layout, if we need it, then we add this app. And conclusion, by developing this application, I gather knowledge about Android. To enhance its environment, I have implemented advanced feature of S database. I hope this knowledge will help me in future work. Thank you.